Hi, my name is Tiffany Overstreet, and I'm the Innovation Director for MM's Pharma and Healthcare Packaging business. I'm looking forward to attending and sponsoring the GS1 Global Healthcare Conference in Brussels from November 4th to 6th. We are excited to participate in the panel discussion covering security topics in the supply chain, from manufacturer to patient. During the discussion, we'll be talking about all aspects of the supply chain. We'll talk about how the use of GS1 codes can help keep patients safe. But we'll also explore other topics to help us further understand the threat of counterfeiters within the industry and within the market, and how we can work together with all of the different supply chain participants to successfully combat counterfeiters.